How are corporates responding to COVID-19? Corporates are currently working on a scenario planning approach where they are preparing themselves for both a moderate and a much severe slowdown. The health and well-being of employees will be the initial primary corporate concern, followed closely by business continuity plans. Organizations' readiness to respond and deal with the coronavirus outbreak is critical now. Preparedness, protection, monitoring, and communication are the key drivers of change here. Preparedness for the best and worst case scenarios is imperative, combined with steady communication, continuous situation monitoring, and protection of employees and stakeholders. Operational resilience of the business is crucial to maintain a normal level of activities and minimize disruption and interruption. In my view, while responding to the current crisis, corporates need to adopt a strategic phased approach with timelines ranging from 2 weeks to an entire quarter. These can be categorized as immediate, short term, medium term, and long term. The plan for the first 2 weeks, that is the immediate approach, revolves around preparedness, protection, and communication. More and more corporates have adopted most of these measures, which include creating BCP for real estate operations and forming a response team, building data analytics capabilities, increasing hygiene and cleaning measures across sites, establishing communication protocols and guidelines, and streamlining decision-making processes. We then move on to the short-term approach, that is 3 to 4 weeks. Here the key drivers are monitoring and readiness. In India, we are currently in the short-term phase. Measures include monitoring and accessing the situation continually, accelerate work from home, focus over the short term on operational management of real estate and mitigation processes for critical sites, and ensure that adequate supplies are maintained. Next is the medium-term approach, spread over 1 to 3 months. Here the focus is on continuity, enabling work from home for a longer period, cautious real estate decision-making, supply chain disruption, and implementing alternative means of contact and engagement. Lastly, the long-term approach, spanning over 3 months. This resilience phase is critical towards a full recovery of business activities. It includes a successful acceleration of remote working, leading to a longer-term cultural shift, supply chain diversification and enterprise footprint optimization, carbon emission reduction, and reduced air travel, which could shift enterprise perceptions on sustainability, an increase in workplace technology adoption, and use of PropTech and MedTech to enhance workplace safety. This is an ongoing process, and priorities will change over time as businesses review long-term decision-making strategies. There are questions which we cannot answer yet, and all have significant real estate implications. However, we can certainly see that the long-term consequences of the outbreak will continue to filter through in ways that were far from obvious at the start.